Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today, Dominic's got the camera. Today, I'm going to be making a nice Italian pasta salad. Very simple, fresh ingredients. You're going to love it. Let's get rolling. All right, I went ahead and pre-cooked some giant fusillo. I got these in a specialty Italian deli. These are wonderful for pasta salads. I love using spiral pasta. These are very, very fresh, simple ingredients. We're going to be using our own Italian dressing. You can actually get this on one of our videos, our Italian salad dressing video, and you'll be all set to go. All right, we've got our noodles here. I'm going to go ahead and put broccoli, fresh cut broccoli. I've got some black olives. I went ahead and diced an orange bell pepper, make it nice and colorful. Yeah. I've got some sliced onions. You want to slice them thinly. Then I've got some grape tomatoes. These are my favorite miniature tomatoes. They have very sweet, they're delicious. I'm going to put that in there. All right, all the ingredients are good. I'm going to go ahead and put the salad dressing in there. I'm going to start out with 5 ladles, little ladles. They're about 2-ounce, 3-ounce ladles. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up.
Looks good. Yeah. It's my turn to eat now.
All right, let me grab one of these and make sure it's got enough dressing on it. A little more. Okay, we're gonna put this back in the fridge and let this marinate.
Let me sneak in there and grab a piece. Yum, yum.
All right. All right, now you ready to do the taste test?
Oh my God.
It looks beautiful, nice and
Very
colorful.
good. Very good. And it's time to taste this delicious pasta salad.
Very simple, fresh. This is great when you're making like sandwiches. It's a great side dish for a cookout, just about anything.
I also like to put a little Parmesan cheese on my
beautiful
pasta salad. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Looks great.
Picturesque.
Very good.
Good.
Now I'm going to go sit down at the table and enjoy it.
All right, let's dig into this pasta salad. Oh, yeah. Tomatoes and stuff. I mean, pasta. Man, these noodles are so big.
Very good.
With some cheese.
Are we on?
Yeah, we're on. Wow. Really, really great.
Does anybody
pasta
want some?
salad.
We'll send you the address.
Hey, thank you for watching. We appreciate the subscribers. And if you would, please hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching. Happy eating, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.